Have you ever wondered what are the most common defects in a software? Hello everyone. I am Taran. I am founder of Part2Shine. I have around 10 years of experience in the software testing training. And now I have started my own company, Part2Shine. And I deliver trainings to people all over the world who are interested in making career in software testing. And I am running various batches of software testing during weekdays and weekends. For more information about the next batch, click on the link mentioned below. Now let's comes on the topic, the most common defects of any software. So the first most common defect of any software is incorrect data added. Now what does that mean? So I'll explain this with the help of an example. Suppose there is a banking application. In that banking application, there is one field in which the salary range should not be 5 lakhs. It is mentioned by a banking team that the salary range should not exceed 5 lakhs, otherwise it will throw an error. And what happened when the software is created and when the tester did their job, they find that the salary field is accepting 10 lakhs, but that 10 lakhs is wrong because the client requires 5 lakhs maximum salary on the first hand. So this kind of defects where the data edits are not correct. For example, the client requires maximum 5 lakh salary, but the actual software is giving 10 lakh salary. These kind of defects are known as incorrect data edit. And software testers should always find these kind of defects, and they come into the very critical kind of defects category. The second most common defect in a software is incorrect functionality. For incorrect functionality, we will take an example. Suppose there is an application in which there is inbuilt calculator based functionality. So in that calculator based functionality, the result should be given on the basis of adding all the values. But what happened that while programmers create the software, what they did, instead of using add sample in that particular functionality, they used average function, but the result will be totally incorrect according to the client. Client wanted the sum of all the values, but the result is throwing all the average of the all values. This kind of functionality or this kind of error comes under incorrect functionality. So incorrect functionality is one of the very critical defects in any software. So software tester should always find these kind of defects and put it into the highest priority. Then we have is poor performance. In the fast racing competitive world, speed is everything. Every client wants results in seconds. So the websites which are created nowadays, they always expect to load in very short seconds of time. And the optimal time to open any website is 2 seconds. So it is the duty of a programmer that every software which they create, they should be opened within 2 seconds. If the software loading time is taking beyond 2 seconds, then the programmer should do something to increase the speed of the website. And then we have is poor usability. Poor usability means user friendliness, means ease to use. So the person who is going to use the software is not expected to be a technical person. So the application should be created according to uh, end user perspective. So the application should not be much technical. They should be very user friendly. They should be easy to use on the behalf of end user. And then we have the last is look and feel of a software. So look and feel of the software should also be a very soothing to eyes. It should not be so much contrast colors. It should not be so much bright colors. And the alignments of all the fields should be proper. Thank you.